Well, I think the hearing was much more about getting headlines about having big banks in. The key takeaway from this is that these banks are well capitalized, competing globally, and giving consumers more choice than I think a lot of folks expected. What I do know is pre-crisis, we had over 7,000 banks in the United States, and now we have under 5,000. Dodd-Frank has had an impact and had a negative impact on financial institutions and competition within financial institutions. So the clear takeaway here is that there is no clear takeaway. There was a search for a circus-like atmosphere on the Hill. That was not achieved.
Overall, Dodd-Frank has had a negative impact. I'd say that the general theme from most of those CEOs today was to commend overall, for the most part, the regulation that took place over the last decade.
Well, I don't blame them. They do have a privileged place in our economy. The big have gotten bigger as a result of regulation. The demands on them have been put to a greater extent. They have to have more capital and everything else as a result of this, but they're in a good position financially and are doing well for their shareholders. So I don't think they came in with a great deal of complaints about the current system.
The issue of capitalism and executive pay came up. Do you think it's an example of capitalism gone wrong when a CEO is paid 486 times the median salary of their workers?
No, I think what we have here is boards of directors and shareholders being able to make those decisions rather than politicians. Politicians allocating capital is a horrible, horrible mistake. And when that happens in a country, they're doomed to low growth or no growth, and they destroy their economy. This debate over capitalism versus socialism is real. It is fundamental to our politics right now at this stage. And today was only a bullet point to that larger value of that big debate.
Congressman, we thank you for your time.